Hey everyone, WYGO Warrior here, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. What we have here today is the January Zeesea beauty box. I'm gonna be unboxing it. If that's what you're into, stick around. Alright, so for anyone who is new to my channel, welcome. For those who are returning, thank you so much. If anyone's curious, what is Zeesea? Zeesea is a beauty brand that does makeup and some skincare. And recently, I want to say fall of 2021, around October, November, they started a beauty subscription, which costs $40 a month. However, if you pay for like 3 months in advance, 6 months in advance, a year in advance, it does get discounted. I believe 1 year in advance brings the box down to $32 a month, which is a 20% savings. If anyone's interested, I do have a discount code, which I will float on the screen and list in the description below. I think it's either 5 or 10%, or maybe it's 15. I can't remember, but if you're going to be doing a haul, you might as well use a coupon code. I do believe I get a little commission, very little. But hey, you win, I win. I think it might be 15%, but don't quote me on that. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what came in this box. And I don't know if it's going to be up before or after this unboxing, but I will be doing an eyeshadow review and try on of the palette we got in the last month's box. And boy, was that palette beautiful. All right, so this will be my last box. Mainly, they have very nice products, but it's kind of hit or miss. I am not only a picky eater, but a picky makeup person. Like, I don't do my brows. I don't wear powder. I only wear certain shades of eyeshadow. So for me, it's not economical to get this box because I've been tending to only enjoy 2 to 3 of the 5 products. But if I wasn't a picky eater slash makeup wearer, I would have enjoyed all these boxes. So take my review with a grain of salt, knowing that. All right, first item. What do we have here? Okay, so this here is the Living Colorfully, which is a double head eyeshadow and lying silk form pen. I don't have any clue what that means. This packaging, all of their packaging, or 99% of it, comes with cellophane on the outside. So it's packaged up really well. All right, so this is what the actual product looks like. On one side is like a shimmery cream eyeshadow. And on the other side is a different shade, a whiter, more pearl cream shadow shimmery eyeshadow stick. And this one is a thinner, smaller tip. Here are the swatches right there. Very shimmery, very nice. Though that pan would help immensely in the inner corner, because I got some fat fingers, and whenever I try, I always end up touching halfway down my cheek. Yes, okay, I'm excited about that first product. Next item, we got a sponge. And yes, it's my favorite shape. It's the one that has the flat side, which I love and enjoy because it makes it easy to press on my chubby cheeks. All right, what else came in this box? All right, I'm excited because we get that packaging, which implies it's from that Bougie Shishi collection line. Interesting. This here is a single pan eyeshadow. The size of the box made me think that it might have been a quad. Anyways, this shade is adorable and right up my alley. Let's do a swatch. All right, it is right there. It's a very soft gold, and that would make a lovely topper. I don't want to say it, but so far, 3 for 3, loving all the products. All right, what else came in this box? All right, we got another one of those single pan eyeshadows. I checked because at first I thought it was a repeat because the first box I got, I ended up with duplicates, which was Their mistake, my gain. But this one has a different shade number. Okay, I know almost all of you are going to be like, wow. And you know me, I'm a little, I really want to swatch it. But what I don't want to do is swatch it and never reach for it. So I'm just going to go like that and set it aside for one of my giveaways. All right, next item. Again, don't know what this is yet, but it's in that packaging for their collections, which are super shishi packaging. OMG, what is this? It's some sort of a brush. Holy cow. This packaging is interesting. So I was trying to twist it, but you pull up these like buckles. I don't know what else to call them. And then it hinge opens. And then, oh my God, that is so soft. It reminds me of something you would clean shoes with in like the 1930s. But wow. Okay. Oh, I could just sit here and pet this for hours. It is amazingly, it's dense, but soft. Oh, I bet that's going to be fantastic for buffing in foundation. All right, let me just finish petting it and we'll move along to the last item. This is a palette, and they always send the palette. Do you see this is like Fort Knox on the air bubble protection? The only problem with that is, okay, whenever I open something like this, I always flash back. Oh my God. Okay. OMG, this is the palette I've been eyeing. I don't have to feel bad that I canceled because when I canceled, I thought for sure I'm going to experience some FOMO because the next month this palette would come. And yeah, I know I could just do a haul, but I figured I'm spending 40 bucks on the box. Send me the good stuff. This here is the Dreamland eyeshadow palette from the British Museum collab. This packaging is spectacular. So the back is plastic, but this here is metal, and it has some heft to it. And look, they even protect with that. All right, are you ready to see the color story? OMG. Would you look at that? And it even comes with a brush. Let me turn it around because this is causing a shadow. Would you look at that? And then, like, it's embossed with Alice in Wonderland. This is giving me, sorta, not really, but a little bit of color story Huda Beauty vibes. The formulas are not Huda Beauty, but yes, I kind of don't want to swatch because the Alice is going to disappear, and over here is a Flamingo with 2 shades, but let me do some swatches. OMG, would you look at those shimmers, shades, pink. Heather, if you're watching, this is giving me Heather vibes. Yes. All right, let's recap everything that came in the January box. We got a sponge, 2 single eyeshadow pans, a silky soft foundation brush, a dual-sided eyeshadow cream stick, and the star of the box, the Alice in Wonderland British Museum Collection eyeshadow palette. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this is the best box I've received in a long time. Not just from Zeesea, like any box. I love and enjoy every single product I got. Well, the green one, but that's just me. Remember, I'm a picky eater. So, yes, leave your comments down below and let me know which item I unboxed was your favorite. I wish there was something known as Feel-O-Vision because this, oh, I want to rub it on my face, but I don't want to mess up my makeup. Plus, I need to wash it, but oh my goodness, this feels so soft. Cannot wait to give that a try. I'm going to list the MSRP total value, but honestly, I feel I got my $40 worth. It's always nice, you know, when you get a box to have it be at least what you paid and hopefully double at a minimum, but I'm super happy with everything. That brush is really blowing my mind, and that palette, I am super excited that I got that palette. I don't remember. I want to say it's at least 30. Maybe it's 35. I don't know. This palette paid for the box, in my opinion. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.